key takeaways of this course. There are some key takeaways that you should take home. Generally, all the course you should watch. If you missed some lessons, go through them. But these are the key takeaways and like basic guidelines to remember. So Amit, I want to introduce you in this lesson.
Yeah.
Amit is a freight forwarder. Is the owner of Rosenthal Logistics, as you can see here. You've seen this throughout all the course, which is cool. And see it again, please. And Amit, now I want you to, if you can, please kind of share the key takeaways from this course, basic guidelines to remember that can be good for the sellers.
Yeah, so this is lesson number 9.
Yes.
Hopefully you sellers watch from episode 1 to episode 8. We'll try to cover everything regarding to logistics to Amazon and logistics in general, the difference between sea shipping, air shipping, how to calculate CBM, how to calculate volumetric weight by air, how can we pack the goods correctly to Amazon, general information about logistics, HS code, choice product, dangerous good, and so on. In my opinion, basic guideline, is to check there is a made in China label mark on each unit and each master cartons, Second thing, that for product contain dangerous goods such as batteries, liquids of any kind, paint. You must have MSDS, material safety data sheet, to present your freight forwarder, that he will be able to present it to shipping line or to airline. For toys product, you must issue standard for toy product in the US, such as ASTM, CPC, and of course add tracking labels per each unit. We cannot put more than 150 units of product in each master carton, In regard to key takeaways, reduce shipping line by choosing the correct freight forwarder that can optimize your shipping plan and shipping cost. Plan ahead towards your holiday season, such as Christmas, Black Friday, and other huge holidays in the United States, especially now towards Q4. And good inventory management can definitely save you a lot of money.
So that means good work with your logistics, with
planning
your
ahead.
own planning. Generally, inventory management is not connected to this course fully, but it is in terms of, logistics is part of your inventory management. Your behavior as a seller connected to this as well. So definitely inventory management is not easy to learn. It's a skill that you learn. And learn it, and you better have always products in stock, always have products being produced, always products being shipped. So you're going to have the logistics chain working all the time, and it's very challenging. As a seller, I'm still getting out of stocks because sometimes I cannot foresee what's coming. For example, these problems with FBA that occurred, I couldn't really foresee them coming, but they did, and I went out of stock, but I got back again. So if you fall down, make sure you stand up, which is very important. And we took a lot of key takeaways. Remember, all the PDFs are scattered through the lessons here. Each lesson, maybe not each lesson, but most lessons will have some specific source of PDFs connected to the same lesson. And you can find Amit's company, Rosenthal, at their website essentially is, what do we have as a website for your...
Roz-ecom.com.
It's gonna appear here on the screen, so check out Amit's services, see what they do, talk to him there.
Feel free to contact us for any advice or any suggestion needed. We see our customer not just as a customer, as a service. We are not just a service provider. We are also want to advise and give any kind of crucial advice for our customers. Vova, which working with me for a long time, can maybe advise this by his own means, that I'm always available for everybody. Everybody can feel free to contact us. And I hope this content, or the course, was beneficial for you guys. I hope you will have a great success and be good, everybody.
And if you have any questions, reach out here in the course, ask us, me and Amit will answer you. We're going to support you, and share this course with your friends, send it to them, and let's make the logistics wars better. Let's get some more sales on Amazon. Let's have some fun. Thanks, man. Thanks for doing this. It was awesome. It was a great day so far.
So
it
was a big pleasure, my friend.
And hopefully we'll see you in the next video, course, whatever. Have a great life.
Yeah, thank
Bye.
you.